Hey everybody, it's your boy. You know who already know who I am. Sorry I haven't been posting lately. It's because I got a new phone to record on, so I was just doing transferring and stuff. But by the way, if you're wondering where I am at I'm at Backbone State Park in Iowa right now, and I'm gonna show you my cabin. This is my cabin. I have a code to get in the door and a deadbolt. It's my cousin's cabin. Don't mind them over there. Stuff. Yeah. It's basically inside there, so yeah. I just found this door over here. I just found this door over here on the side of my cabin. I think it's like the furnace and stuff. So yeah. Alright, let me enter into my cabin. Watch out. Sorry, my brother's in the way. Say hi to the video.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Mom, what is this?
By the way, I have a code. Lock and stuff. So basically, let me tell you why I'm here. So basically, this is why I'm here. Hold on, let me kill a fly. You're about to see some fly killing action. Yep, you're about to see it once he lands. Yep, he landed. See that guy right there? There you do. His body went somewhere. I don't know. I'm not sure where it went, but who cares? So basically where I'm at is... So basically why I'm here is because I'm going on vacation, and I will be doing a cabin tour in a moment, but I just wanted to say I'm sorry I haven't been posting. I know you guys have been wanting to see my videos, but like I said, I just got a new phone to record, so yeah, and I switched over to Apple phones to Android phones, and the cool thing about this is I get to pause the video without any editing apps or anything that takes up way too much storage and it costs a monthly fee. So I recommend. So shout out to the Pixel 8, this Pixel 8 Pro, which I have, and yeah. So let's go on to the cabin tour. Sorry if it's a mess. Alright, starting at the door, we got my fly swatter, my backpack, my brother's backpack. This is not my school backpack, but this is my brother's school backpack. Our fishing pools, our table, people trying to get in, fridge. There's really nothing in the fridge right now. We got my favorite snack, cheese balls, UTZ, whatever. And we got a microwave. I got the oven. See, look. Oops, didn't mean to do that. But I got a toaster, coffee maker. Like that. What the heck? Oh, that's what this is. Stop. Nothing in this cabinet. Oh, yeah, there is. Now, would you rather? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you rather? I'm gonna play this game. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you rather run out of toilet paper or use sandpaper to wipe? Personally, I have this happen all over to me, and I want this to happen instead of sandpaper because that would hurt my bum. But anyway, I'm going to play some Magic probably tonight. Magic the Gathering. Look it up. Look it up. I might do a Magic video here this week. I'm staying here for like 6.5 days. Yeah. So, I got my couch. The folding bed thing. I forgot the name of it. This coffee table, which not only my annoying brother puts always his shoes on stuff. This is where I'm gonna be crashing tonight. I got this. Sorry if it's a mess. Right there out the window. It's my grandmother's van up there. Hold on, let me just get this in. Closet. Cleaning supplies. Slate. Oh, come on, stupid thing. Yep. Alright, let's get into the bedroom. Hold on, let me get all the lights on. Okay, we're back in the bedroom. This is where my mom and dad are going to be staying tonight. Got a nice bathroom. Just had to. Sliding door. Supplies. The sink. So sink over here, a little vanity. Soap, my brother's toothbrush, my toothbrush, my toothpaste, my deodorant. You like my Galaxy thing? My Galaxy case? Outside. Back behind this wall, actually, is where the thing is. It's where, the, whatchamacallit, furnaces. So 2 different light bulbs, don't really like that. Got a bedroom. Already looked at that one. Alright. Okay. What I'm gonna do next is open all these blinds to get light in here. 3, 2, 1. See? All better. The reason why I couldn't open this one is because the people before us, they ripped off the little thing to open the blinds, and they ripped off all this. So I'm not really a big fan of this. Here's my dog. Her name is Ava. She's a year older than me in human years. Not in human years, but in dog years. She's old. It's the bedroom, light, furnace. Alright, well, I'll be right back, and I'm going to show you where our site is. Okay, we're over at my grandmother's and my cousin's and my uncle's cabin. This is our site. We ordered 10 things of firewood. We have some chairs, a bug screen house for the bugs, table, some fire. So yeah, I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna show you something else, and then we'll meet back in the cabin. Look at this. Look what I found. It's all covered in poison ivy and poison oak, but down here led to the beach. And let me try to show you. But see that down there? That's the water. So yeah. Alright, I'll meet you back in the cabin. Sorry about that. That was just a testing thing. Don't pause it. So, how do you like my cabin? Peace out. Thank you for watching my cabin. I'll post more videos more often now that I have a great camera. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm not really gonna go to bed. This is just for the outro. Shoes off. Good night.